What's up, guys? I'm at the channel today. We're just gonna do a quick overlook on Frank right here. Haven't really talked about Frank too much lately, so just got back from Danger Ranger. So Frank, we're gonna try to go to drag strip this weekend. Hopefully Friday night for testing soon. We gotta do a few things before we get her ready for then. But for right now, we're gonna take for a test drive. That's really all today's video means, just test driving her, seeing how she's feeling and stuff like that. Especially in this different weather, so there's actually better weather for her. It's cooler out, so air temps like that are all good. Actually, I'm gonna take a look at her underhood real quick. All right, so here's Frank's engine, man. It's still pretty good looking. Doesn't look dry rot or anything like that. So I haven't really given her too much attention lately. That's all going to change now. We're gonna get her all suited up for the racetrack, get her going down the strip, and have some good old time fun drag racing. Because I've been actually craving drag racing lately. So let's take her for a test drive and see how she does. So I think she's pretty much ready for the track. When we get to the track, we'll be able to do more what do you call it? Tuning on it to make it run a lot better, but she's loving the power. All right, guys. So actually, that was actually the first test drive I did with her with the sway bar in the rear. And I'll say that this thing actually hooks and actually turns a lot better now. And I'm hoping we're not hitting the tire with a fender liner anymore on this. So hopefully we're getting that. But Frank's running amazing. I think she's ready for the track. I really think she feels like she wants some power. She needs more, definitely more tuning done to her. But she is feeling good. Maybe just get the alignment checked a little bit more, because this, I think, it's in a little bit, and this one is slightly out a little bit, which means maybe this wheel's not straight. But yeah, so other than that, guys, listen, Frank's running good. Frank seems pretty good right now. I think we're going to do some, all I gotta do for her is just get a catch can, basically, for the radiator, basically. So that's all we really do for her to go to the track. So other than that, guys, I'm gonna get this thing all unloaded, stuff over here somewhere. I have no clue where exactly I'm going yet, but get her unloaded, and I'm gonna relax for the day, because like I said, I'm sick. I don't really feel like doing anymore right now. So listen, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Comment down below what your time thing's gonna be for Frank. Frank, I think, has to get a 373 in his rear or 410, one of those two. Don't know which one it is yet, which I'll eventually find out soon. But what do you guys think it's gonna be? Subscribe to the channel, do what it takes to follow your dream, and don't let anyone get in your way. I'll see you guys in the next one.